there, friends! I'm Scribbles, your reading buddy. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a Progeny Press study guide, because learning with books is so much fun! Our study guides help you understand stories better while building your super smart reading and thinking skills. Before we start, make sure you have these 3 important things: a Bible, any version works, a dictionary, paper or digital for those tricky words, and of course, your very own copy of the book we're studying. Got 'em? Great! Now let's talk about how to use your study guide. Each guide takes about 5 to 8 weeks to finish, so no need to rush. We go step by step, nice and easy. First, in week 1, read the whole book. You can read by yourself, with a grown-up, or even listen to the story. Then, from week 2 to week 8, we go section by section. You'll answer fun questions, learn new words, and talk about what's happening in the story. And guess what? It's not just reading. We do all sorts of fun activities. You might draw pictures, act out scenes, or even make a yummy snack from the book. So don't worry. No boring, busy work here. We learn by talking, thinking, and making cool projects. Sometimes your study guide might suggest looking something up online, like an instructional video, fun facts related to the story, or even a cool activity. These online resources can be super helpful, but always check with a grown-up first. They can help you find safe websites and the best information. But most of your learning happens right in the book, with hands-on activities and great discussions. I can't wait for you to explore new books with your Progeny Press study guide. Happy reading, friends!